Hi, good morning. Good. We're ready for it?
Yes.
Good, great.
Excellent. Can't wait. This one over here.
Yalla, we go. Yalla, we go.
Yalla, scuba.
Just for daily leave. Go. Nothing happened. They just go down.
They just went down?
They just went down.
Are they still here? No, they go.
They're under him.
They're below you, I think.
Yeah, they're below you.
Below you. Right below you.
We finished the dive and kit.
Yeah.
Could you tell us something about your experience in Musandam?
Yeah.
It's the first visit, right?
First visit to Oman, first visit to Musandam, and it's wild and beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. How was the diving?
Yeah, amazing. 18 meters, no problem.
Very good.
Trainer is
Okay.
okay.
Joshua,
Yeah,
what you can
first
say?
time as well. Fantastic experience. Ali was a fantastic teacher.
Shukran.
And it was brilliant. So I really recommend it, guys.
Ah,
So
that's
thank you.
very nice for me, huh?
Yeah.
And that, what you can say?
Yeah, first time as well in Musandam and Oman. Not even a great swimmer, and I dived with Ali. Everything was so perfect.
Thank you, guys.
Visit
Thank
Bali.
you.
Thank you.
We hope to see you again, huh?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
100%.
Bye.